So here we are. After all the months and months of planning, we are on the first step of our big holiday. We're at Gatwick. Not far, but we're at Gatwick.
We've made it to Gatwick Airport.
Yeah.
And this is the first part of our 12-day journey.
Yeah, 12-day journey.
This is day 0 because we're not leaving until tomorrow. So we're staying at the Gatwick Hilton overnight and catching the morning flight at
11:30 tomorrow.
I thought she said 10:30. Well, that's just
no,
boarding.
11:30. Boarding is yeah.
Right. And we're going to
some place in America called Orlando, and it's got a place called a little theme park called Disney World or something like that.
We're doing 4 days in the Disney park, followed by a 5-night Disney cruise on the Disney Destiny.
Yes, with a little one-night stay in Fort Lauderdale in between.
Yeah. And if you're not following already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join us for the rest of the trip.
Absolutely.
All packed and ready to go? Yes, you packed? I am. Hello.
I made it. Slightly stressful start, but we got here.
Who's this, Missy?
Who is it? Hello. We're sitting here now at Wetherspoons, officially known as the Beehive at Gatwick Airport South, finally getting some dinner because we are starving. We've checked our bags in for tomorrow, which is a brilliant service. And
we've got a lovely spot by the toilets.
Yeah, Karen gets to look at the toilets. I get to look at the rest of the restaurant.
I just get to look at Sarah and the toilets.
Just look at me. It's a delight anyway, so. And after dinner, we'll just make our way through the airport to our hotel and settle down for the evening.
Food has arrived. What have we got, Sarah?
Ham and cheese panini with salad and some loaded fries with Emmental cheese, bacon and sour cream.
I've got the chicken and bacon Alfredo.
Yes. That's a good feed, our first yummy meal of the day.
Hello, I'm here at the Hilton Hotel, Gatwick Airport. We've checked in and we've been upgraded to a family suite, which is rather nice. Let me show you around. So as you come in the door, there's a large entryway, which is currently full of a lot of my stuff. And then we have a bureau with mirror, and then in the back corner here, a wardrobe with some hanging space, ironing board and a safe. And then next to that is nearly a full-length mirror, good enough. And then we have 2 twin, I would say they're bigger than a single, but maybe not quite as big as a double, maybe 2 small doubles here. I didn't even notice that TV. Quite a large TV. And then next door we have Sarah's suite. the master, which she has left her stuff in. That has a large king bed, and she's already watching TV. And some nice artwork here on a plane. Then outside, wonder what our view is like. Oh, quite nice actually. I was thinking I wouldn't see anything, but you can see what I guess is the rest of the hotel. It is a massive hotel, judging from the room numbers. We're in 4268, so we're up on the 4th floor, which is the highest floor. But yeah, the number of rooms is unbelievable, and it took us a while to find this one. And then next to here we have a bathroom, which has a nice large vanity unit with mirror across. And then we've got a bath and shower. Oh, fell over. Here we have Sarah, who's claimed the master bed.
Well, I'm the primary.
Well, thanks. And then back to this room. What do you think of the hotel?
I love it. We've had the first bonus of our trip already. We got upgraded to a family suite.
Yeah.
With 2 bedrooms.
And like, it's so nice. Part of me is thinking, oh, I don't want to go. I want this as my new like room at home.
Be nice, wouldn't it? Nice and clean. Somebody should come in and clean it for you every day as well.
Yeah, it wouldn't stay nice and clean.
Yeah.
And this was how far from the actual terminal?
Oh, it was probably really only about a 5-minute walk. It's sort of attached by walkways through, sort of past the train station and through a bit of the car park. It's not right inside the terminal like the Block.
There was another hotel we passed called the Block that was right in by like where Wetherspoons was, and then this one you had to go down a lot of corridors, and it was kind of weirdly signposted, but we found it, and it was walkable, and now we know where it is.
Exactly.
Hopefully we can find our way in the morning.
Yeah. Shouldn't be a problem, and it's downhill this time. It was a bit of an uphill trek on the last part, a bit of a ramp to go up.
So Sarah, what are you looking forward to?
Sleep tonight, and then kind of everything. Just the feeling of being back at Disney again, the music, the smells.
When were you last there?
At Disney World was 10 years ago.
Right.
Paris was just a year ago, but Disney World's been a while.
I've not been for 18 years.
Wow. Yeah.
That makes me feel old.
18 years
When
since
I was
I
a
last went. I was just a little sprog.
Oh, you didn't ask what I'm looking forward to.
Oh shit, I forgot, sorry.
Forget it. So we've already hit the first snafu of the trip, and that's my camera. As I'd done a few short clips at the airport in Wetherspoons, and then as we were walking to the hotel, it stopped working and said the memory card was full up already, which it wasn't, as we'd only just started. So I came to the room and have been troubleshooting that, so hopefully it's fixed and won't happen again on the trip. Because that's not what's supposed to happen. I did lots of test filming, like the whole Hastings trip was supposed to be me testing the camera, but since then I did actually swap the memory card to a bigger one that I had in my other camera, and I think that's what's caused the issue. But hopefully it's fixed now and we can relax for the evening. I've been joined by a mystery guest in the hotel room.
Could it be?
Clark Kent.
Hello. Not Lois Lane, apparently. Clark Kent.
Sarah, tell us about your new look.
My new look. Which bit of the new look? The glasses or the t-shirt?
Well, the obvious glasses.
And the glasses are some cheap smart glasses that I bought in the hopes I might be able to get some good point of view videos from some of the rides.
And are you recording me as I'm recording
I think I am. I'm going to check soon. I'm doing a few practice runs here.
There's like a white light on one side.
Oh, that's always a good sign then.
That means you're recording.
Yeah, with a bit of luck. And we'll see how they go. I was originally going to buy the Meta ones, but they were expensive and I don't think I'll use them enough for that expense. And I wanted to get the Insta camera because I think I'm more likely to use that. So then I saw these El Cheapo ones.
How much were they?
99.
How much were what's the others?
Metas, they were about 300. Yeah.
Oh, as much as that?
Yeah. So I'll just try these. And these actually record a longer video too.
Right.
I'll just have a little walk around our room here. This is the primary suite here for the primary. Oh my God! Step into Karen's office over here. Bloody mess already. Look at it. Look at it. I'm going to follow Karen around now. Oh my God. It's like 2-year-olds. Hello.
Oh, Sarah, give it a go.
Tell you off, I'm not paying for that. Where have you gone with that camera? Karen. I can hear you giggling behind there. Oh, you ruined my finale.
Oh, what was it?
I'm really excited. I'm having a really good time.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm trying to be like serious, but I'm trying hard not to laugh. I'm so happy to be here. It's going to be amazing. So excited, so happy. Karen's really happy too.
We're excited.
Travel day underwear to but it's fine because I've got spares in my suitcases. It's not a problem.
Sarah's run out of underwear. Just only take 0.
I've sharted through the rest. Stick with this side now. What are you doing? What are you up to now? Are you on something? You take some kind of tablet at 10 o'clock that just suddenly sends you please.
Sarah's going to turn down the bed.
So I was telling Karen how I like to turn down my bed every evening. So she turned down my bed for me, but this is truly not up to my primary clientele standards, so I will show her how
What was wrong with my work?
turn down my bed. So cushions, I like to have this for me. I like to have one cushion here, fluff them up, and then the bed would be turned down. Generally, I would normally have a sheet as well. This would be much neater. Turned down, ready to.
And you do that every day?
I do that every day.
And how far in advance of bed?
Oh, sometimes I do it late afternoon. When it's dark, once it's dark, I close the curtains, turn down the bed. I'm a grandmother. It's just what I like to do. I love my bed.
I don't even make my bed most days.
Well, I have two bed mates. Like, most of the time I make my bed properly with all the cushions and stuff.
Yeah.
Occasionally, if I'm in a hurry, I do a half make like this. So I'll just turn it down, tidy it up, and it's just ready for the evening when I get home.
Right.
But it's still neat and done. But I make my bed the New Zealand and the American way. I have a top sheet.
I've got bad news for you.
What?
I've heard that in the Disney hotels, they no longer give you like maid service every day. So you might have to...
I can cope with
You might
that.
have to do the beds.
You can do your own bed. I can cope with that. Like, that's just... Actually, that's pretty standard for most hotels now since COVID. And with the environment and stuff, they don't do daily
Cutting
turn downs.
corners.
That's fine.
But you can turn down my bed if you like.
You can turn down your own bed.
Hmm.
Yeah. Still at the end. It's very busy.
But we're going to shut the airplane down. We're going to power the aircraft right down, and that should clear the fault.
You're going to turn it off and on again.
That's it there. Lovely.